Hello everyone, this is the second part of the chapter number 10, Animals, Forms and Function. In previous video we will discuss about human skeletal system and its various parts. In this video we will discuss about joints and its different parts, different types. So the joints are the place where two or more bones joint. Okay, and the bones where the joints are held together, that structure is called as ligaments. Ligaments only joins the two bones together at joints. We have three main type of joints. First one is immovable joint or a fixed. Second one is slightly movable joint, and last one is freely movable joint. As you see in this block diagram, I am showing the joints are basically divided into three main categories: fixed joint, freely movable joints, slightly movable joints. And further, we divide the freely movable joint into four categories. First one is pivot, second one is ball and socket, third one is hinge joint, and fourth one is gliding joint. Let's discuss the types of joints. The first joint is immovable joint. These joints do not allow any movement, and these joints are basically present in the bones of skull. These joints are present in our upper jaw and the rest of our head. The next joint is slightly movable joint. These joints allow very little movement. As you know, these joints are present in our backbone or in between the vertebrae, and it is also present in between the ribs. And next one joint is freely movable joint. These joints allow movement in all direction, or we can say allow free movement of the bones. For example, these freely movable joints are present in our elbow, knee, shoulder, and in neck region. As we already discussed, the freely movable joints are divided into four categories. So let's discuss one by one each category. First category is ball and socket joint. In this joint, ball-like end of one bone fit into cup-like cavity of the other bone. So this allow movement in all direction. The example of this type of joint is the joint at hip and the joint which is present in our shoulder. Next joint is hinge joint. This joint allow movement in one direction only, similarly to the hinges of the door. For example, elbow joint. The example of hinge joints is elbow joint, knee joint, wrist joint. Next joint is pivot joint. Pivot joint allow rotation only. In this joint, rotated surface of one bone fits into the ring formed by the other bone, so that the one bone is able to rotate over the other in a ring. So this joint is present in between the neck and head. Next joint is gliding joint. In this joint, allow the bone to glide over each other so that side to side as well as backward and forward movement can take place. Only slightly movement take place in this joint. So this joint is present in between bones of our ankle. So this is about the joints. Thank you.